know straight our mothers are going to watch this video, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone, look who I have on my channel again. Oh my god. It's focusing on you and not me, that's rude.
I'm like a product now. No, what's up guys? It's good to see everyone again. It's been a while. I decided to finally let Shannon pay me to do this video.
We are exposing ourselves.
Is that what we're calling it?
Yeah, exposing.
Yeah, big clickbait. Get this going, let's go. You stabbed me in the throat. Is that what? You got some of you guys full on questions, by the way.
When did you realise Shannon was the one for you?
When I realised she annoyed me 24/7.
Is that what you want in your life?
Yes, very supportive and nice when we were in Auckland and when we got to spend more time together. Got to know each other a lot, so that was nice.
When did I think you were?
When you first saw me?
No, I don't know. I think it was pretty early because we had so much fun together. And it was when we had lots of fun and you made me laugh like every day. And it was just nice hanging out with you.
If that's what you think, that's good.
Is Hamish Indian?
Hamish is Indian.
No, you're not. No, we should do a DNA test on you. But no, I don't think
What?
Neither of your parents are Indian.
Can someone explain to me how you get Indian from this?
I think it's because you're named to it and people don't know what your name is.
Oh.
But Hamish in New Zealand is such a common name.
Is it?
Like where you guys are watching,
Okay.
you tell me, like, is Hamish a normal... Sorry, it's not a normal name.
It's
but
not a
like,
normal name.
do you
No.
guys know anyone called Hamish? Because I grew up at school with like 8 Hamishes.
Really?
Yeah. I know a lot.
What's key to having a good relationship?
Having lots of things in common.
Yeah,
And
okay.
things that you can do
Yep.
together. And just being able to like be around each other and have fun and be comfortable. Like being good friends.
You've got to be friends, and then you've got to realise that the other one's not always perfect all the time, and not expect too much, and help each other out maybe. Give each other space when you need space, not too full on. You know, you don't want to be right there in the other person's face 24/7.
Trust and respect. R-E-S-P-A-C-T.
And then put up with that. Are you thinking of marriage?
I didn't even ask that. I thought you'd ignore that one. Like, just put it off.
Yeah, of course, but people have to do it in their own time. Everyone's
Do you get
like...
pissed off? Like, because of everyone on YouTube's like, Hamish, when are you going to propose?
It's a fair enough question, but it's kind of like when you order a package online and you're like, when's the package gonna come? When's it gonna come? Is it today, tomorrow? And then you're like, you're loving it, and then the package turns up and you're like, oh god, I've got nothing to look forward to now. That's what's happening here.
AKA, Hamish will propose to me when I'm like on my deathbed. He'll be like, surprise!
Well, this ain't no DHL service. This is more of a, you know, no frills.
Snail mail.
Yeah, you know, at least when it gets delivered and things like this happen, it will be worth the wait. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, well that answers like half of the questions, because half of the questions are basically...
Is that half?
No, 1, 2, 3.
What's your favourite activity to do together? We probably like going to the gym.
Yeah, gymming.
Yeah. Shannon's gotten better with gymming now, I think, like, with the muscle stuff. You know, you only used to like cardio.
I only used to do like cardio or like leg pressing and stuff, like leg workouts, but now Hamish makes me do like abs, shoulders. Abs is the worst.
But just try and mix it up a bit, because it gets a bit boring if you just do cardio, right?
It keeps focusing on your face and I'm offended.
Yeah, is that better?
Yeah. How do you guys keep your relationship out of YouTube drama?
What? If it was in YouTube drama, it'd mean good views. How do we get in that drama?
I know.
Let's
like,
go.
what do we need to do?
What?
I have an idea.
Hit me with it.
We'll have a threesome with...
This is gonna get views. If you're on a scandal, you're gonna have to do some full-on things. Hate someone that's popular for no reason at all. You know, probably. Yeah, you don't want to be calling that. Nah.
Right. When are we having blabbers?
Well, we're not married yet, so you know, you got to take these baby steps. It's terrible. We enjoy spending time with my nieces, so that was good. You know, it's good to be able to like...
Did that open your mind a bit? Spending time with your nieces?
Well,
where
there's
you're
no
like,
opening mind needed. It's planned. It's thought out. You know, hanging out with them was really cool, and it's cool to get to spend time and get to know kids. One thing that really cracked me up about kids is even though my nieces aren't like... I don't see my nieces that much.
They live in Australia.
I don't see them that much. I saw them, you know, for the 4th time or the 5th time ever in like years. When they see me, they're like, oh my god, it's Uncle Hamish.
They love you.
It's so weird because they don't ever see me. So what are you excited about? And then they come up to you and they're like amped as, and I'm like, why are you so amped? I'm not that cool.
They just love you.
It's weird that a kid just trust you fully like that.
Yeah.
You know, they just full on in
Yeah.
They're like, oh my god, and then like when you go to leave, they start crying, and you're like, I've only been here, you've only seen me for a day, don't care about me that much, I'm not that important. Like it's just confusing, you know?
No, it's really cute.
But I don't understand. That's what I don't understand about kids is.
Well, they just
How they
just love and they're just happy. Kids are happy.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
And when are you and Hamish shifting to your beach house?
When are we shifting to our beach house?
We're not shifting to our beach house. We actually just bought some land and we're gonna build our dream home.
That's the next thing we're doing. I don't know, like, I wouldn't not ever shift to the beach house. It's
No,
cool, but
yeah. Well, we're just happy to like be living in Palmy with our friends and family. And it's like somewhere to look forward to going and somewhere to like go for holidays and like tradition, like start a new tradition and go there for like summers and stuff.
Yeah, it is quite hard though, because when you go there, it's amazing.
It's so
and you
much
do
better
wanna
than this
move
house.
Yeah, we come back here and we're like, zoop, in a box.
Literally, like this house is like newer, like all of that, but the house at the beach house, like it's just bigger, nice view, like beautiful spot, love Papamoa, like, so it makes me more excited to build a new house though and like create something special that's like our own and a little bit different.
Oh.
Married, are you getting 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 married? Do you have any funny quirks or hidden talents we don't know about? Hamish can beatbox.
I'm not doing it, no. That is a paid service.
I want to tell them about what Jonesy told me.
No, Shannon, that's super cringe for me. But we'll talk about the real question here. Is Hamish a boobs or butt guy? That can be, because you wanted something. Can I have both? Yes, I can.
Damn.
They're all the same questions. Describe Shannon. Okay, here we go. Hey, do you want to describe me first or not?
Okay. No, you go first because I don't know how savage we're being.
Okay, Shannon's kind, caring, thoughtful, pretty, frustrating. So frustrating. Princess-like.
I'm not.
Sometimes.
That's a blatant lie.
Wait, she did. No, honestly, she did something really good though. We went away to Amsterdam and we stayed in a house the size of my knuckle, and there was no aircon and it was hot, and she didn't bitch. So that was good. She has moments where she can be precious, but then moments where she surprises me that she isn't complaining. So I'm sure I'm frustrating.
Yeah. Well, how do I describe you? Okay, you're funny.
Okay.
You make me laugh like every single day. You're really, really, really good at being an adult when I'm not good at being an adult.
I am. I'm a good adult. I didn't used to be.
He reminds me, he's like, Shannon, have you paid your bill yet? I'm like, no. And he'll remind me every day until I do it. And he pays all the other bills, like our shared bills, and he'll like do our insurances and all of that shit that I don't want to do. I like how good you are around like your nieces and animals and stuff. Like Hamish is really nice with animals and I love that.
That's the important things.
Like one of the birds fell off our roof onto the ground when I was away travelling. He didn't know what to do, and so he rang up like the vet hospital and he's like, what do I do? And he made sure that the bird was okay.
Birds, if any birds are watching this vlog, please stop having babies in this area. This is it. The area we live has no trees. It has no protection. Once you fall off the roof, that's it. You're done for. I couldn't believe it. I was like,
Hamish guarded that bird, and he made sure that bird was good.
Yeah. Trouble is in this neighborhood, there's just cats and no trees and no.
And they're very, very big fat cats too.
Yeah. Privileged cats.
They're very privileged cats.
What is this?
I also like about you how you always want to learn stuff. Like Hamish is always learning stuff. He studies stuff that doesn't even need to study. Like at the moment you're learning music. Like he's self-teaching himself music. And
Gotta keep.
I love how passionate you are about it. You get very passionate about things and it's good.
Passionate or just no,
passionate. Like
that's good.
No, you're excited. You're like Shannon and you tell me about shit and you're like stoked.
Yeah.
And I like that about you. Okay, everyone's asking about how long it was until we slept together. Like, I don't freaking know.
You guys, come on. We're not married yet.
Yeah.
More
we
like,
don't do that.
We were probably had a few drinks. Can't remember the exact time or date. You know, it's a mystery to us as much as you.
People ask about threesomes like left, right, centre also.
What does it go up to the threesome? Whoever's asking this, are you serious? Have you guys ever done a threesome? No.
Didn't you hear Hamish say that I'm selfish?
I don't know how you manage that time or that.
Like, how does it work? Like,
how's it fair?
What does that one do? What does this one do? Who gets what? Who goes first?
And as I don't really read rule books, so I don't know
No.
how no.
Never even like heard of a threesome. I don't even know what that is.
Definitely someone will be coming out disappointed because it just hasn't been distributed right, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was good, but that wasn't 20 seconds, that was the 10 seconds. What?
Why did I come off my pill?
Oh,
You know.
Do you want to answer
No,
it?
you
I've been
answer.
talking a lot because she wasn't feeling so good. You know, like the pills are fake things, so it's like, really, should you be taking that all your life? 10 years from now,
10
we'll
years.
probably find out it's terrible for you. Just get off it and deal with it.
Yeah.
Pull out. That doesn't work 100% foolproof, by the way. So I don't endorse that.
Pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
Yeah, I'd do that.
I showed Hamish this pizza.
Okay.
So what you do, you go to Domino's.
Yes.
You get a stuffed crust pizza, the one with the cheese
What do you
around the
do?
outside. You
Yep.
get barbecue base, so no tomato shit. Barbecue base. You add extra cheese.
Mm. Yeah.
You get rid of the ham. You add pineapples. So pineapples and
Keto.
cheese. Barbecue sauce. And then last but not least, you put a mayo swirl on that shit.
That's what you do. And then when you're keto, you don't get none of that. So whoever mentioned that, you. Honestly, I'm hungry. I want pizza.
It's right, we'll just have some like fucking capsicum for dinner, it's fine.
Yeah, we're good.
I don't care. No, just kidding. It's actually not that bad.
No.
Look at this bitch.
What is this?
Look at this bitch. If you had to save one of your dogs from a fire, which one would you save?
What? How?
I would rather die.
I think at the time you're just, you probably.
Well, to be honest,
Are
realistically,
you gonna answer this?
we know from earthquakes, Zeus comes straight to us. Where does Louis go? He just fucking sprints off. I've got a riddle solution. I'd go outside.
Okay.
Zeus would run after me.
Yeah.
You'd go after Louis. You only technically saved one of them because you only had to do one thing.
Oh, so we saved one each.
No. I'm not doing anything. I gap it. I leave. I run out that door. Zeus just runs after me.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Because that's what happens in earthquakes. Zeus is just like, hi, mum, I'm scared.
Yeah,
Louis
he's
sprints off, does God knows what. Look, more people asking, have
Okay.
you ever had a threesome?
So a lot of people asking about that threesome, eh?
Damn, guys, what do you, like, why
What's
are you
going
think,
on?
what?
Is this a normal thing?
Do you two ever go away for dirty weekends?
Do you ever do? Oh, what?
Hamish, do you find it hard, Shan, being a famous influencer? Do you struggle with it?
Do I struggle? Okay, cool. So that's a pretty good question. I think it's stupid to struggle about it, and even if you did struggle with it, like nothing's gonna change by struggling with it. Like, yeah, I see what you're saying. Like, oh, she's done so well, and you could never top that, and she's so well known and stuff. But the reality is what's the point of me stressing about that?
That's another
can't
thing I
change
like
it?
about you. And Hamish does this to me a lot. If I'm ever upset about something, he's just like, why do you care? Like, you're not that person, so why do you give a shit? And I'm like, oh yeah. You're very down to earth and you just think about things black and white, and I like that.
If I stressed about that, then it's just stressing me out over nothing. I can't do anything about it. So just accept it, get some shit for it. Oh, blah blah. That's fine. But at the end of the day, she's doing well. Why should
He's
anyone
happy
care?
for me too.
Of course.
So like, it's a positive thing.
I see what she's saying though.
Yeah, totally.
Like I totally get what you're saying.
How are you surviving using condoms since coming off the pill? Doesn't it feel awful?
Amen. Word. You got two options.
Yeah.
1, you was pulling out. That's not going to work. 2, use condoms. You're good. 3, you don't do any of that and you have kids. What are you going to do? Spin the wheel of doom. Yeah, we're going to do that one. Does Hamish get jealous of thirsty boy comments?
Thirsty boy.
Thirsty boy. They're everywhere. Nah. What's the point? Again, it's people that comment on Facebook. Most of them are like these creeps. If you're going to actually try a thirsty comment, try and make the profile look a little bit professional. Please don't do like a thirsty comment and then have this grubby, seedy like look about you. Like, put some effort into it.
How many children do you both want? Is it the same amount?
A little old number called 0.
Hamish wants 0. I want 2. So we're having 1. But you don't actually want 0, right? Like, you're not gonna like gap it on me.
I just need
Like,
to, just let me think
pump
about
it up.
these things. It's not about
Gap it.
tomorrow. Pump it up, gap it. What does that mean?
No, but you know what I mean?
No,
Like-
Shannon wants 2, I want 0. What's that number in the middle, I guess, is what you'd probably say.
But he's also not like, I'm never having children, I'm gonna hate it. Because
I don't
otherwise
hate
it would
it.
be
I
0.
just don't think it's just a lot of
He
stress.
doesn't, aka you'd be happy not having kids. Like, if you didn't ever have a kid, you wouldn't be like, oh, that sucks. Whereas
No.
I probably would be like, oh.
It's a lot of stress, and then it's a lot, not stress isn't bad, but as in like worrying about what they're gonna do, and then sometimes I see flaws in me and I'm like, why do I want to pass on those flaws to another generation? Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I know.
I'm not the perfect person and I don't do the perfect things, so it's probably not worth passing that on, or yeah,
That's right. Our kids will be perfect.
like totally.
Totally.
Is there anything? I feel like the same questions are repeated.
Literally, sex, marriage, children.
Some of these you can't actually answer though. Like, look at this one.
I know.
Oh, favourite memory of a holiday, maybe for you? Sorry, this isn't super juicy, but what's your favourite holiday memory?
So, okay, I've got a couple. I was thinking about it the other day. One of my favourites was actually when we went to the Formula One and we went in the Formula One cars.
Oh, that was.
But do you know, it wasn't even really like I had so much fun, but it was because I was so excited for you as well, and it made me really happy. Also, the Maldives, like we went to the Maldives with Jennifer, and it was one of the best times of my entire freaking life. Like we had the best time, and it was so relaxing. Like we were forced to literally just drink in the pool, and it was amazing. I feel like our next trip's gonna be amazing.
And yeah, Tokyo will be good. There was one more that was good that I thought, the whale watching one. I like that.
Yes,
That was
Hamish
good.
surprised me. We vlogged it too. He surprised me for my birthday. We went
It's like
2
I'm
years
talking
ago.
about the trip I got you. You've got to say it's good.
No, it was amazing. And because Hamish booked that holiday because he knew I really wanted to go whale watching, and he like booked it all without me even knowing. Like all the way down to like renting cars, the accommodation, the flights. Everything was planned out, and he just literally was like, alright, get your passport, let's go. And I like cried. I was so overwhelmed and excited.
It was good.
That was amazing.
That one was cool. And we got to see like 300 dolphins as well.
It was amazing.
Something,
Yeah, we
it was
vlogged
pretty
it,
amazing.
so search my vlog channel for that.
That's fucked. What is... These questions, man.
I like this one. If you guys could switch bodies for a day, what would you do?
This is stupid because I know exactly what Shannon's going to say.
Tell me.
Should just flip her dick in a helicopter. Unbelievable.
Biggest pet peeves about each other. Final question.
That one came up before and I thought we talked about that just before, really.
No, I haven't told yours.
Okay, go.
Okay, one. Hamish.
This is ending on a bad note.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Hamish jiggles his foot on the bed
That's it.
over and over again, and
It's soothing though, like...
No, it's not for me.
No, but
It's so annoying.
That's why I do it. It's not just like I'm like...
This is how Hamish. I've got a lot.
What is this?
This is how
I've got
Hamish.
a lot.
This is how Hamish drinks water in bed. In the middle of the night.
You got to make sure like that says to me that I'm drinking, I guess.
It fucks me off, man. He does these burps that sound like dinosaurs.
Yeah, those are bad.
He's like, and it's like gargling.
It's worse than
vomit.
that. It's like... It's not good.
Okay, I'll just do 3 now. You can do 3.
Okay. Shannon,
I'm ready. I already know.
my pet peeve with Shannon was when she gets in princess mode and doesn't listen when I ask something nicely. And I'm just like, okay, here we go. This is going to go on for at least half an hour. Let's get ready. Shut off. I need an off switch for myself for that half hour period. 2, she's getting better, but she's not the tidiest person I know.
Yes, but
Why are you defending yourself?
Because I can.
I said you're getting better.
Yeah. See, the thing is, if I really want to make Hamish happy, all I have to do is clean, and he's real happy.
It's true. Third one. What would the third one be?
I don't know.
2 will do.
Perfect.
Those were quite in-depth annoyances. What? Perfect.
I'm pretty perfect.
Oh, you're quite strong-willed sometimes when you try and, you know, like, it's not, it's never easy to just sort of give the old, this is what we're doing, it's met with some, But other than that, I mean, this has not been a juicy video. The most asked questions were all sex.
Yep.
Good try.
And you know damn straight our mothers are going to watch this video, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, well thanks for wasting our time. We've got better things to do.
Yeah, we're going to go actually enjoy our night now. Thanks, guys.
It's good. I'm getting paid for this video, so make sure you start sharing this. I get paid in dishes.
I get paid. We're going to say dick. I was like, whoa.
Dishes is just fine.
Okay. Alright, bye, guys.
Good deal. Alright, guys, thank you.